Hey fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Kamalpreet Kaur. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can make your rose aloe vera ice cubes plus their benefits. For that, you need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You can take any aloe vera gel. I am putting the link of this aloe vera gel in my description box. You can purchase from there. Then all you need is rose water as required. I have taken almost 3 tablespoons. You can take it as per requirement. The fragrance is really amazing. And let's talk about the benefit. It reduces your puffiness, open pores, and it gives you glowing skin and clear spotless skin. Also, it prevents your skin from rashes and redness. If you are applying ice cubes on your face for the first time, take any cotton cloth and then wrap your ice cube into it and then apply. Don't apply directly on your skin because sometimes it can irritate you. Thank you so much. Follow for more.